My face is sitting. Hey you guys, how are you living? How are you feeling? What are you doing? Today is Monday, July 6th, I think. Actually off today, so I am just finishing up some YouTube stuff. So I actually just finished my thumbnails and my title for one of my videos that is coming out today. I also am about to just work around the house, clean up my room, clean up the bathroom, and also I need to put some lip gloss on, y'all. I literally hate when my lips are dry. If you haven't learned that about me, I don't like it. I don't like when my lips are shinier than my face. So I'm about to shower and everything and look like a little bit more presentable. I want to do my makeup today just for the fun of it. But yeah, anyway, so I just wanted to pick up the camera because this is what I'm trying to start to do, guys, and I'm trying to start vlogging again, especially since my hair is up into these Marley locks. I can't make a natural hair video, and I really want to vlog again anyway. So I'm just about to start doing both and just try to keep up my momentum, because honestly it's so hard doing two separate types of videos, especially working full-time and being lazy and, you know, all of the extra stuff. So I'm really having like a mental debate in my head on how to get like more productive and hold myself a little bit more accountable and being more disciplined and all of the extra stuff. But when I master it, I'll put y'all onto it. But right now it's something that I just have to internally focus on. So what I've been doing here lately is creating like to-do lists for myself. So I have a little notebook here. It's like a 99-cent notebook that I use, and I try to write down things that I want to accomplish for the day. So today it has on here that I wanted to post that video, which I just did, finish the thumbnail and the title and all of that, because that takes time. You guys would never imagine how much time it takes. I'm gonna clean my room, clean the bathroom. I said that I was gonna get coffee today, but it's already past noon. Coffee, it's probably gonna be no point. But I could just make coffee here, but I don't really feel like I need it today, but I still might get some just because I like to do that on my days off. So anyway, I'm about to actually eat some cereal. Yeah, so let's eat. Cereal of the choice is Honey Nut Cheerios. Right here, bub. Okay, so I'm about to just go eat my cereal. I might eat it out on the little patio area so that I can like scroll on my phone. I'll do that.
Yeah. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million.
Hey y'all. What are PGP's meetings?
It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh.
About to tackle cleaning this bathroom because I have like hair products all over the place. Y'all see me? Yeah, I have hair products all over the place that I don't need out right now, and it's just upsetting me. So I'm about to reorganize this counter space and then clean it, and then also clean the tub so that I can take a shower and don't have to worry about cleaning thereafter. So I think I had told y'all before, but I really truly need a new organizational method for all of my hair products, and I don't know exactly what that is, but if y'all want to see, like under here is super chaotic and it's all my hair stuff. So I think over like the next week or so, I'm gonna like spend time and figure out like how to get this better organized, because I did have, you know, I have these baskets for each thing and they're kind of like organized within itself, but it's a mess. So I'm gonna try to figure that out maybe sometime this week or the next few weeks or something. Clean all of this like space up here and just put them down here, and then I'm gonna tackle cleaning the tub. So I have it kind of semi-organized for now, and it'll just have to do until I figure out another storage situation.
If you were everything I wanted you to be, and I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. Would I leave if you were everything I wanted you to be? When I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So would I leave if you were everything I wanted you to be? When I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. Would I leave if you were everything I wanted you to be? When I saw.
So you guys just saw me clean the bathroom, so I'm almost done with it. One thing that I could do is sweep the floor. There's some hair down there, but I don't really feel like doing that. I may do that later. But now I'm about to go into my room and try and tackle that, and then probably start a load for laundry and then get in the shower, or maybe vice versa, I don't know. But yeah, so we got a couple of things checked off the list so far, so I'm feeling really productive so far today. I want to get cleaned up, but the more I do this, probably the less motivated I'll be to do that because cleaning takes a lot out of me. It's really therapeutic for me, but it honestly drains me. Room looks like this, so it's not really junky, but it just has like stuff pretty much everywhere. So I'm gonna try and tidy up a little bit and then kind of see where it goes. I don't think I really need to vacuum today, so I probably won't. I already went through my closet and cleaned that the other day, but I do need to tackle those clothes in the back and probably just clean up whatever's over there. I always leave stuff everywhere, but all right, let's do that. Let me open some of the blinds because it's not that much light.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
I'm in the laundry room. Looks like I'm gonna have like 3 loads versus just 2. Let me find somewhere to prop you up at. I don't feel like I'm the best person to do laundry, but I just wash my clothes. Like, I'm not super particular about like delicates versus whatever. I just wash my clothes. New detergent yesterday, so I'm excited to try. It's just Gain, but Gain smells so good. Got the Gain, y'all. Let's do it together. So I'm gonna put it on heavy, I think. Colors is on. I'm just gonna hit this. I told y'all, if I'm probably washing my clothes incorrectly, and I probably have all my life, but they come out clean. I just know that some people are super particular about like delicates versus towels and all of that, and I'd be like, whatever. It smells good. Now that we have the washer going, I cleaned my room. Now I can go ahead and take a shower and figure out if I'm going to become more presentable with doing my makeup today. It's so hot, so it's not like super important to me anymore, but I definitely still love doing my makeup. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go get dressed, take a shower, come back, and I'll see y'all in the next when I do all of it. Hey y'all, I'm back into the laundry room. I took a shower and I laid down for a little bit, and I'm about to put the clothes from the washer into the dryer and then go ahead and put in another load. These clothes smell good. I'm actually about to eat some fajitas. They're actually leftovers from last night, and I haven't eaten all day, so I'm about to eat them real quick and try to get out of this house for a little bit. So there's steak, onions, green peppers, sour cream, shredded cheese, queso, and fresh salsa. They were really good last night, and I had them with some chips and like some chips and dip on the side. So yeah, I'm about to eat this, finish talking to Mariah, and why you look blurry a little bit, but not really on camera. Can you see yourself? Anyway, so I'm gonna finish eating and finish talking to Mariah.
We are doing a mukbang today, talking about relationships, babies, marriages, lawnmowers, because we are living on the busiest but smallest street in Hampton. So excuse.
Yeah, I think that is not deliberate.
But the way that I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See, no one else love me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day.
Hey y'all, so my face is done and it's sitting, okay? It's sitting per se. But I really do like how it looks today. I was actually about to go and try and get some pictures taken, which I still may. Actually, no, I'm not even gonna put myself through that, because every single time I try to plan and take a picture, it always has some sort of fail. And right now it looks like it's about to rain, and looking out, it looks like I saw like a few little like driplets. So not like full-blown rain yet, but the trees and stuff are blowing, so it's getting windy. So I already know by the time I actually put clothes on, it's just gonna be a fail. So I'm gonna take today for what it was, even though I just did my makeup. I should have definitely looked at the forecast before I did all of this, but I'm still pleased with it because I feel like I look cute, and I haven't done my makeup in a while. So, and it really took me no time today. But yeah, so I actually think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm about to wake Dream up because he's sleeping, and I want to try and get him a walk-in because I only took him out earlier today around like 10 or 11. He's been like really chill all like today and yesterday, which is weird because normally Dream is on my nerves, but super chill today, so I'm gonna take that as a win as well. But yeah, so I'm about to take him out, and I'll probably start editing the one vlog that I was telling y'all about earlier. So I'm gonna end this vlog here right now because I'm not gonna be doing anything except for editing and chilling, watching TV and stuff. There's this 2 shows that my dad told me to watch that I want to try out. It's actually, they're both on Hulu. It's called like A Murder at the First or something. It's like a cop show with like Taye Diggs, I think. And then the other one is Saints and Sinners or something. He claims that they're both really good, so I'm gonna check them out probably today while I'm editing, or probably a little later because sometimes I can't always edit and watch TV at the same time, especially if I have to listen for certain stuff. So I'll see how I can kind of multitask with that. But anyway, I just wanted to come and properly close out this vlog. Hope that you guys had fun hanging out with me today. It was a pretty productive day, even though I was in the house all day long. I hope that you still enjoyed it. But yeah, I'm gonna go because I don't have anything else to say. Wrap this up. I've been rambling for a minute. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really enjoyed filming for you guys today. I hope that it'll be up, and I hope and pray that I'm more consistent for you guys because I keep getting all these new subscribers, and I'm really grateful for that. And I need to make sure I'm being more consistent because I know what my end goal is, and I need to act like it's there. So thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you guys, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.